What is this dude doing? I am necessary evil. Uh-oh. Hey, this thing keeps going and going and going. I am necessary evil. Now, if y'all seen that one video I made where I told you evil and live is the same thing, look at it backwards, right? That means it is necessary for you to run through this thing. We get to who Bane is, you already know. It is necessary for you to live, to think outside the box, to not move robotically. It is a must that you go on this hero's journey. Or you can keep staying a Thomas Anderson and never become the one. Okay, take that blue pill and stay in the Matrix. Or take the red and go on this adventure. Right? It's up to you. I can't do it for you. I'm Dream Wise. I gotta do my own shit. I gotta do my own work. It's up to you to step into this necessary evil and become God.
Message.
All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Have some fun with this thing, man.